Nutrient Deficiency Control Programs. In this lecture, we deals with the indicators for monitoring interventions to combat iron deficiency, including iron deficiency anemia. However, it also reviews the current methods of preventing iron deficiency in the light of recent significant scientific advances. It also going to discuss different nutritional deficiency programs. What is nutrient deficiency? The recommended daily amount of a nutrient is determined by how much the body needs to stay healthy. Nutrients can be obtained in a variety of ways, from eating a varied diet to taking vitamin supplements. A nutritional deficiency occurs when the body does not absorb the necessary amount of a nutrient. It can lead to a variety of health problems such as problem of digestion, skin problem, or defective bone growth, or even dementia. What are the different types of nutrient deficiency? Nutritional disease, any of the nutrient related disease and conditions that causes illness in human being. There are many types of nutrient deficiencies which occur in India, which are as follows. Iron deficiency. The most widespread nutritional deficiency worldwide is iron deficiency, which can result in anemia. When you are iron deficient, your body produces a reduced amount of red blood cells. Vitamin A deficiency. According to World Health Organization, a lack of vitamin A is the leading cause of preventable blindness in children. Vitamin B1 deficiency. It is an essential for normal nerve functions. Deficiency can lead to nerve and muscle damage and can affect the heart. Vitamin B3 deficiency. A deficiency of the vitamin B3 is often referred to as pellagra. Niacin is found in most proteins. As a result, this condition is rare in meat-eating communities. Vitamin B9 deficiency, it often referred to as a folate, help the body to create a red blood cells and produce DNA, and it also aids in brain development and nervous system functioning. Vitamin D deficiency. According to Vitamin D Council, this type of deficiency is a growing global epidemic affecting more than 50% of the population worldwide. It is an essential for health, bones, and help the body to maintain the right level of calcium in order to regulate the development of teeth and bones. A calcium deficiency often shows no immediate symptom but can lead to serious health problem over time. Calcium deficiencies are related to low bone mass, weakening of bone due to osteoporosis, abnormal heart rhythms, or even death. Now, let us study about the iron deficiency anemia. Anemia is usually defined as a decrease in the amount of red blood cell, that is RBC, or the amount of hemoglobin in the blood. It can also be defined as a lowered ability of the blood to carry oxygen. Iron deficiency anemia can be caused by the following factors. Women of childbearing age and people with chronic diseases are at high risk of anemia. Important factors to remember are certain forms of anemia are hereditary and infants may affect it from the time of birth. This can occur because blood loss, a lack of iron in the diet, and inability to absorb iron, or pregnancy. What are the symptoms of anemia? The severity of these symptoms largely depends on how quickly your anemia develops. You may only notice few symptoms that may be developed gradually if your anemia is caused by a long-term problem. Iron deficiency anemia are related to decreased oxygen delivery to the entire body, and symptoms may include tiredness and weakness, pale skin especially around the hands, nails, rapid heartbeat or a heart murmur, irritability, low appetite, dizziness or feeling lightheaded. Now, let us look at the nutrient deficiency control programs. These are as follows. Integrated Child Development Services Scheme, Midday Meal Program, Special Nutrition Program, National Nutrition Anemia Prophylaxis Program, National Iodine Deficiency Disorder Control Program. Now, briefly look at the National Health Policies. National Health Policy 2002, National Population Policy 2000, National Policy for Empowerment of Women 2001, National Charter for Children, National Nutrition Policy. Thank you.